सरहद पर जवान क्यों है परेशान, सड़कों पर पुलिस वाले क्यों है बेहाल. Our soldiers stand tall at the borders, protecting us from literally everything. They miss out on family dinners and even funerals of their close ones to protect us. But whose duty is it to protect them? They go through harsh conditions like unfavorable climate, abrasions, directional lose, and less water quantity that they cannot carry because of the weight of accessories, guns, and their own uniforms. Isn't our duty to protect them? Isn't our duty to provide our soldiers, our saviors, favorable conditions to protect us?
Then we surveyed various army personnel, police officers, and security guards, and after analyzing all these problems, we created an all-in-one solution, Sahasrabahu, which means one with thousand arms. Sahasrabahu is a smart multifunctional uniform designed to protect those who protect us. It has various features like it is made up of hybrid fabric layer which has an inner UV protection surface and an antimicrobial surface, and it is also made up of bulletproof and anti-tear material. Then it has a smart temperature regulation system which automatically changes the temperature according to the temperature of the environment. Then it has a hydration system which automatically condenses the atmospheric humidity into the drinkable water so that our saviors can be properly hydrated even in remote mission. Then it has one touch alert button which directly connects our soldier to their command units. Then it has a real-time health and wellness tracking system which detects their heart rate, blood pressure and oxygen level. So in cases of emergency, assistance could be provided easily. Then it also has protection from attacks from behind. It has the inbuilt lightweight metal detector, alcohol detector and also night vision LED so they don't have to carry large and heavy equipment. In future, we'll be testing Sahasrabahu with army people, police officers, disaster and rescue teams, and then ultimately going into the mass production. Our heroes put everything to protect us. Now it's our time to protect them.